In today's video, we're going over how to set up an application or app password in Gmail. I'm going to preface this video by just stating if you're a business and you're trying to use this for your mailouts or mailing from an application, I would strongly recommend against it. Gmail could remove app passwords at any time when they decide it's insecure, and then you won't know if your mail's not sending. It's also using Gmail for your business is just not the way to go. Either use a proper Google Workspace or Microsoft 365 or some other proper mail. But if you're trying to send from an application, the recommended way to do it is to use a separate mail relay, so SMTP to go or some other tool like that to send your mail out. So it's not necessarily coming from your Microsoft or Google tenant, but coming from a different mail server which is intended for sending that style of mail. So keep that in mind. But if you're just using this for a home lab, then go ahead and follow along. It's interesting to know. So you're going to log into your email account and click on your user at the top right, manage your Google account, and go to security. And rather than looking for app passwords here and trying to figure out how to do it, it doesn't exist, by the way, so don't bother looking. Just go app password at the top and click app password. And here you can create the name for the application that you're putting it into, so mail server, or it could be your printers or whatever you're using to try and send out mail, and click create, and then you have your application password. Maybe note it down, but once you hit done, you can't pull it back up, so put it into whatever you're using and then it kind of hides it forever. So click done, and that is how to create an application password. If you are a business and you have more questions about how to do this or whatnot, feel free to reach out to us on our website or leave a comment below. We'd love to chat. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.